good morning. There are many people here this time, like these days, always a lot of people. Yeah, this one fall on the ground. That's why we are walking now. The time now is 11:41, and my duty today is 12 o'clock. So more than 15 minutes more. This rubber is very sensitive, easily break. Yeah, basically just going to rub it like this, and no need to fold. I have a few pieces here, and we're going to try if it's going to work. Oh, I don't have oil. This oil is the used one. I maybe have a strainer here. Okay, so it works. Let's try if inside is cook. Okay, so yeah, it's done. And it's now time to clean this. And actually it is raining, but very small rain, you can see. Yeah, I hope there will be a hard rain in the place where rain is needed. Yeah, like the place where there are bushfires, and the place where there is drought. Yeah, I'm hoping for rain. Yeah, it is rainy day today, but the sun is now rising. Good morning. I miss you, I miss you. There's no other way to say it, and I can't deny it. I miss you, I miss you. Easy to see. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, it's the time already, 8 o'clock. I am preparing my meal. Actually, I am supposed to throw this one, the rice leftover, because the other sides, if you see, is already spoiled. It's soft, but the one in the middle is still good. But then I realized that I don't have rice. Yeah, I don't have rice grains, so yeah, I'm going to the grocery later on, but I'm really hungry, so I'm going to use this one, even if the rest on the other side are spoiled already. This is actually a margarine. Margarine. Margarine is not healthy? I don't know, but it says here, look at this. If you can see this star, it means that that's the health star rating. 1, 2, 3, 4 star health rating. If it's 5, very healthy. It is made in Australia. Every product that has logo like this, it means made in Australia. Yeah. So we're just going to do fried rice. Most difficult thing with something like this at work. Yeah. Also this time I'm going to wash this. Yeah, that's why I covered it with cling film, and I'm going to wash it. Yeah, I try not to make it wet because if it gets wet, there's possibility of getting a bacteria, and it will last longer. Eh, because I've been so used of having cut in my finger. So what I usually do is that I covered it with the band-aid, which is the air can flow inside, and the band-aid is not touching the wound. So yeah, it will just heal by itself very soon. Yo, good morning guys. And the town is still a lot of cars. It means still a lot of people. Yeah, biking around is not really the best time. I mean the best, because you need to be careful every time for me to be safe. Yeah. Yeah, and this is how it is today. You can see a lot of cars and a lot of people on that side. Yeah, a lot of us swimmer, they are sunbathing in there. Like the previous days, always like that these days. And in here in the center of Albora Morena, yeah, a lot of people. There is something like a jumping area. I don't know exactly. I never experienced playing in the same like that. Yeah, really nice. A lot of people walking, even in the town there. Even in here also a lot of people. Nice. Yeah, in here in this place there is going to have like a public market. No, what's it? Weekend market. Today is not weekend. Today is Friday. Yeah, a lot of people, even there, even on that side. The ferry is coming now. They are going to unload. The people will get down there. Yeah, you see on that side a lot of kids. They are playing on the water. And this ferry, they are going out. They are going to explore the water. They'll do some watching of whales and dolphins around. Yeah, this is a water playground. The kids, they are now getting out, and the other boats will be moving in there later on. You see a lot of people there in the beach. Yeah, really nice. This place is one of the happiest place on earth today. And the family, they are waiting for their kids. Really nice. This is how it is here. This is how it is during the school holidays, especially during the summer Christmas season. This is how it is. In the previous days was like this also. A lot of people roaming around is not the best thing to do because yeah, many people are walking and many cars, but it's amazing. I like it this way. Oh, look at this, very clear. I noticed that all the boats, all the ferry, all the yacht are not here this time. All of them are in the water. Yeah, that's it for today here. We are keep on going now. Good morning. Really good today.
It's lovely.
Look at this, even here, a lot of people. I'm sure it is all the way to my workplace. Yeah, amazing.